Vernay flow control solutions are a part of our everyday life. You use them and make them work without even seeing them. In the consumer market, this coffee machine uses an anti-drip dispenser valve to control the high-pressure distribution of coffee as it's pushed through the outlet, before tightly closing to prevent the last drop of coffee from falling. So that people like yourself and our friend Henry can enjoy a good cup of coffee. Next, we see Henry's landscaper, Brian, pumping fuel to start his equipment. Pressing the pump activates a combination valve whose duckbill-shaped opening allows fuel to enter the carburetor before tightly closing to prevent backflow. The upper end functions as an umbrella valve, allowing the pump to refill with fuel. Many Vernay solutions can be found in the automobile market. In this vehicle that Henry is driving, a Vernay umbrella valve operates within the vacuum pump of the braking system. The umbrella valve's role is to make braking easier for the driver. It does this by creating an air vacuum in the brake chamber that boosts the power of Henry's servo brake. In the medical market, where precise dosing is critical to patient safety, Vernay valves provide reliable performance in a variety of fluid control applications. In this inhaler, for example, a specific dose of drug therapy is being delivered through a duckbill valve. The dosage is tightly regulated, so that Madison receives only the exact amount that her doctor has prescribed. For over 70 years, customers worldwide have trusted Vernay to find solutions to their most difficult challenges in the field of fluid flow control. Their research centers have uniquely qualified design teams ready to solve your problem by customizing your components. Vernay additionally has more than 400 standard products to choose from in their catalog. Vernay also has worldwide production facilities with the most rigorous certifications. Let's work together on fluid control solutions to make your most ambitious product visions become a reality. Take control of the flow with Vernay.